Welcome back to this video. Before you can buy any phones, whether new phone or used phone, it is always advisable to check the internal memory or internal storage of that particular phone before you can go ahead and make a purchase. If you find it difficult to know how best you can check your phone internal memory or phone internal storage, maybe before you purchase or after you purchase, consider to watch this video because I'm going to show you on how to get it done without any stress. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. All right, so the very first thing you need to do is to head over to your phone settings. So I'm going to click on here, just like so. It takes you to this particular page. Next thing you want to do is to simply scroll down, and then you have to navigate to storage right here. Click on storage, just like so. It takes you to all information about the phone storage, such as RAM of the phone and the internal storage size capacity of the phone. So basically, this is how to check your phone internal storage or phone memory before you purchase or after you purchase a particular phone. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more tips and tricks about Android phone like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.